everybody attack this. I want to listen to me, please. Right? Everybody attack this and that whole family Owie, or family not like Owie and this and that. Nothing like that. No like that. Nobody not yet Owie. And if you tell her this, Owie and none of my family let me talk. And me and Owie alone talk. Me and Owie alone have a conversation straight up. Right? Me and Owie not talk no, we know. And I will tell you why me and Owie not talk no, we know. Sunday, me in a vehicle with somebody and me hear some trouble. The Owie talk up and say, oh, our family let me treat her bad. NEISHA around here 2 weeks. 2 weeks, NEISHA they run on my yard. Me and my grandmother go for NEISHA up her yard and carry her around here. When NEISHA come around here, when NEISHA did up there, matter of fact, me and NEISHA talk on the phone every day. She said when she sit down up, her back hurt her. She can't sit down up. When NEISHA reach around here, NEISHA sit down up for the whole day in the chair. All type of things. NEISHA eat good, everything. Up to see Owie come around here and I say, oh, NEISHA look like she eat healthy. And I tell her something. Me not eat Owie and me don't have him up and me in a talk. And me not think never ever deal with him. Just for where him I walk and tell people say, but look on this. From NEISHA come around here, oh we never care about our water come and give none of us. And what the people them a say, them not tell no lie. Right? None of we don't want no money from nobody. None of we don't want no money from nobody. And if NEISHA need help, the all we can do it. Me have my money and from she come around here and me I spend my money and I buy everything for her. Me never come talk this panic and I'm my sister and I'm my blood. Me not have no problem to spend it on my sister and my blood that. Right? Me and her have see her mother and see her father. Me and her alone. You understand me? And then NEISHA been a talk from top. She had hallucinate. She talk pure foolishness. Right? She thought was up in the banner, this and that. It reached a point where NEISHA evil was saying that. She said, oh, we spirit through the window and stare upon her. Me even turn to her and say, oh, we spirit through the window and stare upon you. Are we dead? Oh, he's not dead. Right? Him, wait until she reach round here. And come and take her and carry her to the hospital. What are you trying to put on the family? We make it look like, say, around here so she come and get worse and all these type of things. You understand me? Him come on the internet, the people them ask for family this and that. All him a do, I talk like say him alone been a do it. My stepmother and my cousin come live this morning and the only reason why them come live is because they up on the live say him alone, and he can't do it by himself and this and that. You understand me? That is the only reason why they come live. We don't want no money from none of Uno and Owie either.
Neika, you can ask you something when I don't talk.
Yeah, you can ask me. When she come on here, we can't make her a doctor. From she come, nobody never knows me if I use money in my house. I have my family, my cousin, and my friend around me. None of them never know. The only person who I'm a granny because she have my money at me. You understand me? And if the lady come on the live and ask where the money there, because all him and me complain and talk about him not have no money, him not have no money. Pitney in the picture, yes. Pitney has to take care of, yes. But remember, it's not them all of the Pitney to close them on the line. I'm not going at that. And them buy them. And the wish list them are the author. So we'll not try to say. You understand? The baby come on here and everything. Me not have no Pitney. And my sister around here, me and her sleep on the bed, me and her and the baby. I have to get up too much in the night and feel like I will complain about that time. I want to feel like that is the topic and that will come about.
Yeah, that's an idea. Yeah, understand. Go on.
About how much say, who ate Owie this, who ate Owie that. Nobody not ate Owie around here.
Neika, I know we are saying, we ate Owie, you know, and the girl did up on the top. Yeah.
Hello, I don't want to only say anything when we talk. Please don't say, no, I'm going to tell you that because I'm on the line from the start to the finish. If I start till it reach, I say no till you not add me. Because you know, being I say how much I blow, we are saying for NEISHA until it catch over.
I never said that.
I know we.
Make she talk. Make she talk.
You understand me? We don't need to stop it. She have family. She have family. She have family. I mean, nobody feel like we are group up. We don't know clout. I mean, I beg no gifts. I mean, I want to send me no gifts. I mean, I want nothing after this. You understand me? We don't want nothing after yes, so. We have to come out contact. We never talk about say, well, we have to come contact. No. Him come on the live and him been a sing on the fact money, nah, no fucking help. We have to talk. When the baby run, no for me cousin them and Nisha don't talk. They do not talk, and they run here, and I them a help with the baby when she run here. Me a go work, they prepare things for she eat. When him a go tell people say, how much we not treat Nisha good, and me alone. And you see the thing is, he never say me not treat Nisha good, you know. And me could have hear that, and say, oh, he might pick up for me, and ray, and don't say anything. You know why I say something? I'm a vex, I'm a cut up about it. Because him say, we not treat Nisha good. And how Nisha family them run here not treat her good, and only me alone. The reason I cuss is because why him a say that, right? In come here, you know, when he come in, I can't fish eat, in a kind of water, in a kind of nothing. And if they never that treat her good when me gone at work, and leave her here, she would have nothing to eat. If you made a fake things come here, she would call him and tell her she hungry and she want this and want that. We could have say yes, they not treat her good. You understand me? So why? Him a go tell people that. That's why I'm not deal with him. When him not cuss, him call me phone in the morning and me tell him so me know I ain't up from him and hang up and him block me. From my auntie house. And my father said, no man run it, can be there to show or whatever. You understand me? She draw down her clothes, piss her ground and shit her ground. And I like she lay down in her bed and shit up herself and we have to clean her. And on the same Wednesday, when he come for her, the same Wednesday when he come for her, and the same Wednesday she do it. Me call him, cause everything at morning me call him. Me text him all late night. Then him a text up to all 12 o'clock enough time when she do the things them. You understand me? When he come here the Wednesday and he got hospital with her, me say she do the and piss up in here, you know, Owie.
Neika, calm down, sis. Sis, calm down, sweetheart.
Right?
Calm down.
When he, after he said that,
don't go so deep. Neika, the school no man. Don't go so deep, sweetheart.
Let me tell you something. Me just cut up and they just told my back and my sister. From she's sick, from a just here, from Nisha just come from upper Owie, and I still not gonna say him make she stay so, and I still not gonna talk the things them and say him make she worse and this and that. But the fact is, you have her up there 3 months sick, and then when she come around in 2 weeks, you have to come on the internet. I go say how much if I never come here and carry her doctor should have dead. How the hell? You talk something like that. At 3 months, you see, when we got there from my sister, she had tremble like leave.
She can't even stand up.
She can't even stand up. I need them now. She have not me. She have not me. And Nisha have not me. You understand me? We don't look no. And they're white. That's what they're white. You understand me? She want blood.
We go down in the blood.
You understand me? Yesterday we have a blood, right? Then she want 4 blood donor. Let me tell you, because I'm not going to go deep and I'm not going to hear some things from me. No. And the only reason I'm going to tell you about
don't go deep, Neika.
The only reason I'm going to tell you about the pampers a while ago and because him come this man, him come read. Ask how much time I tell him, say, do not tell the people them nothing want to go with Skibby. Up to him mother, me ear talk to Nisha on the phone and say, him tell Owie, don't tell the people them want to go on. Don't update them about certain personal information because the hospital when Nisha there should have mentioned this morning. The fact that Nisha wear pampers should have mentioned this morning. To ask for your help, look all of the help you need. Because you claim to say you don't have no money, no problem with that. Look the help because you're not doing the internet. And if you find a difficulty and need the help and them help other people who do fuckery and fart, nothing wrong with that. Because we don't want the money from him. Ask him if we beg him the money. You understand me?
About the money.
The fact say yesterday she forget 4 blood donor. Right now, Nisha forget the blood from Friday over here. Me and Owie talk. Why he never tell me say Nisha forget the blood from Friday? When I ask Owie when the blood for donate, Owie say he do not know. When she call me and ask me say if we ever donate the blood, I say to her say yes. Me jump up how much in we volunteer for go. You understand me? Until 4 Owie reach because him tell her say him can't go because they not nobody to keep the baby. Bear in mind it's at a hospital him going, you know. You understand me? He not go to hospital, he might go to the blood bank when he can carry the baby straight through. He can carry her in. Well, it's that's fine. We go to the blood bank, we donate the blood or whatever. After we did on a public, when my stepmother go register, you understand me? We see him roll in. Him and him and the baby come. Why? You didn't go to the blood bank, go and donate the blood. Eh? Why you never go donate it? Him even send my stepmother one long voice note. You understand that? That's why I'm telling you something, you know. Take me one voice note, I'm going to talk about how much I'm going to back out. Our family is supposed to jump up now and do what they're supposed to be doing. I don't know what nobody is stressing me. His sister even send me stepmother one voice note about how much nobody know for asking no pampers because she a stepmother and my father did it. Which we not no problem to do nothing fear as me say. But what we are say is the money them and him even send the voice note that only him alone have savings left. NEISHA savings done. Me don't want to no feel like debate for money this and money that. That is not the problem. You understand me? This morning, me can't reach because I have a cousin for wash. See there, I want them to go work for a week. I have a cousin for wash and me say, we go tomorrow. My family, I'm going to tomorrow and carry things gear. You understand me? Today, me send my friend, me call my friend. Me call my friend, she live at Kingston and I call her and tell her, say, boss,
Chad, Karen, when I eat someday, may I read the chat?
I understand me? I'm telling you something. I'm telling you something. You see me, I am not going to be the one to come and bring down Owie. I'm not going to do that.
Yeah.
But I say I'm not going to do that. Me not going to do it, but I have to talk to my family them. Because everybody now they comment that, NEISHA family figure and this and that and Owie this and Owie that. I don't know what the next thing too. Why NEISHA been attack them foolishness here? Him keep on a text her and a call her and tell her about Owie this, the opinion and this and that. When Owie can NEISHA go register down at the hospital, you know when call me and tell me say tell the nurse they say, the opinion what the fuck you can't respond to the doctor and tell the nurse that for? That makes sense. Nurse can't take the opinion to somebody? When because I tell him, say the girl I go through depression and the things and because what she tell me say, she tell me something where she have faith and her undergo and something. Everybody will have a child up to the same biology when she go through the building and something and tell her I say she go through depression. You understand me? Bad depression too because I want him she undergo. I mean I come talk it. I'm telling you that. You understand me? I mean I come tell you say, then no nice up this and nice up that whatever. But you see in a life, you need to stop watch where you go on the internet because when camera lock off, you don't know what going behind the camera. That's all me have to say. So I start talking about family up here and community yet and this, that and da. You understand me? Up to now, me and him the cause I know. And this one when I step out and the advice one time I listen it. And the thing is too, the next thing when I do, after I spend how much in total them for my sister, I spend how much in money buy a grocery, carry a doctor, private doctor, that or whatever. My sister hallucinate and I feel like I lie until I make up that story. Sunday I call her and I say to her, so I say, baby, we run here treat her bad. A baby, she named Baby. We call her Baby. I say, baby, when I run here, nobody that treat her bad. She said, you never that treat me bad. So I say, what you mean, die? She said, and I talk something. I say, baby, me call to, I'm going to say, I say, no, for call her, but my brother boy and me did earth. I say, baby, so you tell Owie so. She go quiet and do not say anything. But put on up the phone and put on my ears and I say, you're a wicked girl and as long as they live and they don't have hospital, I'm not cool. Because you're a wicked girl and you see what we do for you. You understand me? You see what we do for you. So you shouldn't tell nobody that. Right? So after that now, after that she ever before she call my father a ball and she goes to call him and a ball. Right? After him I go talk about say in a device note say, me I don't get mixed up. I said in a device note say how much say baby tell him say me call and of course I say more about the money they want me spend. More we absent and a big woman on the internet and smart people, not dunce people, make this make sense. Remember I know the internet don't know me know. They don't know say me and she standing know them are gonna know you know. Right? Me not look no I don't fear. Me there me I do it for my sister because me have it, right? And she want it and me I do it. Me can get up and spend me how much in money for her and I go call her and tell her more about my money. That makes sense? I go run with it and I go talk about how much tell me wicked and something. And I go talk about you know rape people and rape you and this, that and da. If me never rate you, think me that chat to you. I think me that talk to him on the phone. When I don't know fear, I don't ask me say, I'm not going to stop repeat that we don't want no money, we don't want no. We just ask about where the money there because I'm going to tell the girl it's not no money. I feel savings and loan he have. So the fuck you have your savings by yourself and then at the same time and him barely touching savings. What that sound like to Uno? What it sound like to Uno?
And I want